Go. I'm gonna interrupt your video. Look inside that center console. Those are factory autometer gauges. I know, they're stock. I'm taking that cigarette lighter.
I'm videoing, man. Close my door, homie. Yeah. Y'all think it's it's a 03 though. It's not like it's a 92.
Mike walked by, yeah. But yeah, it's the fucking Crown Vic on crack.
On crack.
Mike walked by and he said, I told him about the autometer gauges being an option in this. He said, yeah, they had it. He said the SRT 10 Rams had them on the 8-filler. Just the 4-valve. Same as the 1-8. Not quite the same, but it's pretty same. It doesn't have to say it didn't take warranty.
Hey, can you have me that key? Oops. Hey, it did come on. This thing did come on.
Yeah, that light right there is telling you.
Let's see.
Look at it. How about now?
It says it's unlocked.
That's it. It came from Houston.
Yep. That's all she's got. And I guess the gas gauge does work because it did move up some.
Ow. Oh, I don't think he got it top truck. I don't think he got into a wreck. It's not wrecked. No, I don't believe so.
How the hell is this thing? Why is it even here?
Haha, there we go.
I don't know. I guess maybe it's off the.
That wheel was off. No, it's not. Yeah, you gotta wait. They're hill figures.
Slowest windows in the world.
Never belonged here. Got new door hinges in the box. And look, a pair of hill figures.
Oh, I actually might need those.
I'm interrupting your whole thing right now. And a buffer.
He said, and a buffer.